I bought these seeds in January of 2022, so that's almost a year and a half ago, and they were great when they were new, but I decided to run a test to see if they would still sprout as well about a year and a half later.
When you're draining your seeds, pour it out and then really shake it. Try to get as much water out as you possibly can. And then when you're done draining them, roll the jar around and stick the seeds to the side of the jar. This will help them to be not so compacted together, and it will allow the airflow to come in and out of the jar. And you want these seeds to stay as dry as possible between rinsings. It's the morning of day one, and you can see the condensation. The jar, even when it's inverted, retains a lot of moisture. It's day two. The seeds are doing really well. Obviously, they're retaining a little bit of water, and that is okay. They need some in order to sprout, but they don't want to be sitting in standing water. It is about 6:30 on day two, and you can see that these are sprouting really well. They're starting to really kick out of the hulls, and I'm about to rinse it right now and drain them for the second time today. When you wake up on day three, you'll notice something, and it's the little root hairs that are coming out of the seeds. A lot of people think that those are mold, and they aren't. They're actually a great sign. That means that your seeds are sprouting, and those little root hairs are coming out looking for water. So on day three, which is today, I'm actually going to rinse the seeds 3 times, because obviously the seeds now are in a state when they want a lot of moisture. So I'm going to rinse them 3 times and see what happens. This is my first rinsing. I have the water in here right now. I haven't drained it yet. The mass in here looks very different on day 3 as well, because of those root hairs and the little root that starts to come out of the seeds. The whole thing looks a lot fluffier. So day 3 is cool. It's when you start to see changes. Just keep up your rinsing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Morning of day 4. I just rinsed these. That's why they look so wet. When they start to really get long tails, when the roots really start to come out, they'll form clumps. So try to break that up as much as possible. So I watered it once, and I'll do it again in a few hours. I rinsed these this morning, and they look so awesome. The lighting is not very good. Sorry. If you want to rinse 3 times on day 3, when the seeds really start to come to life, you can do that. The jar is completely full. It was a very successful sprouting. I'll see you in the next video.